sifa. Bwana pokea sifa. Jina lako litukuzwe. Bwana pokea sifa. Amen. Nataka niseme ya kwamba ndugu na dada, mwezi huu ambao tumefanya kesha, tuko na kongamano la kitaifa kubwa sana, kubwa zaidi ya jinsi limewahi kuwa, because maybe some of us have never attended, but because of today I want to invite you in the presence of the Lord on 28th. You can write somewhere, if you didn't know the date, it is on 28th of this month, the last day of this month. On Saturday kukikucha Sunday, we shall be gathering at Kakamega High School. More than 5,000 youth, just in the presence of the Lord, like what you are doing here. What is my prayer? That I wish we all of us go, my brother. You normally praise everywhere. The other day, I took the videos of you. But this church has an avalanche of skills and talents. Si tuende huko tufanyie Mungu kazi kitaifa. Mfanyie Kisumu, but pia tuonyeshe ulimwengu ya kwamba we serve a living God. Amen. Don't sit on your talent. Don't sit on your giftings. Let us expose it. Let them sprout and bless other people, because we are blessed, so we give. Pastor, you are doing a